why do I need an architect? Let's explore the essential role an architect plays in bringing your vision to life. Embarking on a construction endeavor can feel overwhelming, whether it's building a new project, renovating an existing space, or developing a commercial property. You might be asking yourself, why do I need an architect? Let's explore the essential role an architect plays in bringing your vision to life. First and foremost, architects possess the specialized education, training, and experience to handle every aspect of your project. They've spent years studying design principles, construction techniques, and building codes, as well as project management. This comprehensive knowledge base allows them to guide you through the complex process from initial concept to final construction. Think of them as the expert navigators of the building world. Architects also see the bigger picture. They don't just focus on the aesthetics of a building, they consider the entire context of your project. Through exploring various design options to maximize functionality and visual appeal, in addition to ensuring compliance with all relevant building codes and zoning regulations, as well as coordinating with a team of contractors and other professionals, architects act as a central point of contact, managing the many moving parts of your project and keeping everything on track. Architects are considered creative problem solvers. Construction projects inevitably present challenges, unexpected site conditions, budget constraints, design limitations. Architects are trained to think outside the box, finding innovative and practical solutions to these issues. They can adapt to changing circumstances, anticipate potential problems, and develop creative workarounds to keep your project moving forward smoothly. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, architects can actually save you money through holistic planning. Their expertise in design, construction, and project management allows them to create efficient designs that minimize material waste, reduce construction time, and prevent costly mistakes. By carefully considering every detail from the outset, they can help you avoid expensive rework and ensure your project stays within budget. Their holistic approach not only saves you money, but also ensures a higher quality outcome. From concept to completion, an architect is your trusted partner in the building process. Contact with architects today to discuss your project and discover how we can bring your vision to life efficiently, effectively, and beautifully.